As ISRO is going to send and position Aditya-L1 at first Lagrange point 1.5 million kilometers away from the Earth, let's understand how many Lagrange points. Now, I know that might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down in simple terms. We'll be talking about those special points between the Earth and the Sun where objects can kind of hang out in a balanced way. You are listening to the artificial intelligence voice interpreter of Ram Rutangwala. You can consider me his alternate persona. So, let's dive right into it. What exactly is a Lagrange point? Well, imagine you have a planet, that's Earth in our case, and a star, that's our Sun. In between them, there are these cool spots where the gravitational forces of both the planet and the star sort of cancel each other out. This creates a stable point where other objects, like satellites or space telescopes, can stay put without needing constant thrust to stay in position. Neat, right? Now, you might be wondering, how many of these Lagrange points are there? Well, there are actually 5 of them, and they're numbered L1 through L5. Let's break down each one real quick. L1, this one is located between the Earth and the Sun, slightly closer to the Earth. Here, the gravitational pull of the Earth and the Sun kind of balance out, allowing spacecraft to hover around this point. That's where you'll find satellites that monitor the Sun's activity and warn us about solar flares. L2, moving a bit farther beyond the Earth's orbit, we have L2. This point is great for telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, which can observe the universe without being blocked by the Earth. L3, on the opposite side of the Sun from Earth, we have L3. Honestly, this point is a bit trickier because it's not as stable as the others. There aren't any major missions there right now, but who knows what the future holds. L4 and L5, lastly, we've got L4 and L5. These points are located about 60 degrees ahead of and behind Earth in its orbit. They're like little gravitational, sweet spots, where objects can move with the Earth as it orbits the Sun. Some asteroids actually gather around these points, and we call them Trojans. So, there you have it. Lagrange points are these amazing places in space where gravity does this intricate dance, allowing spacecraft to chill out without falling into the Sun or the Earth. By Aditya-L1, you might now understand why ISRO kept the name Aditya-L1 meaning Aditya in Sanskrit as Sun, and L1 meaning Lagrange Point-1.